Good morning, class 11. So, we are in chapter 4, role of the government in the economy, and the topic is regulation of market. Okay, so here we will understand what is price floor and the price ceiling. So, as we know, the law of demand and law of supply, this vertical line is for the price, and this horizontal line is for the quantity supplied and the demand supply. Okay, quantity demanded and the quantity supplied. So this downward sloping, we know that it is a demand curve, and this upward rising is a supply curve, and this point is equilibrium, where equilibrium price, okay, where demand and supply intersect each other. But sometimes it has been noticed that this is the price which is lost for the producer if the foods will be sold in this price, then it will not be beneficial for the farmer, for the small poor people. They may not get the price of the commodities or price of the foods which actually they should get. So in that case, government interfere and government increase the prices so that at least they can get the profit, that is small farmers, poor people can get the profit. So here this is price floor, this is the price floor, means below this price they will not sell the food grains, and this is called price floor, which is fixed by the government. Okay, and this price floor prevent a price from falling a certain level. So below that price will not fall. This is a price floor, and these we can tell that it is a surplus, because when price was PO, quantity supplied was Q1. Okay, now as it has been increased from PO to P1, so you can see that when the price was PO, okay, quantity supplied was Q1. Okay. As it increases from PO to P1, the quantity supplied increases from Q2. So this is a surplus for the poor farmers. Similarly, this is a price ceiling. So this we know that it is demand curve, this is supply curve, and this intersecting point is E, that is equilibrium price. But sometimes it happens that price is very high. Suppose it is the price which poor consumers cannot afford to buy. So in such case, government will interfere and they will decrease the price. Okay, so here price has been decreased from P1 to P0. So when price decreases, quantity supplied increases from Q0 to Q. Okay, and quantity demanded increases. So this is the shortage. This portion is called shortage for the producer. Okay, so here this happens in case of, this is the price floor. I can show that in two ways government can regulate the market. One is price ceiling, one is price floor. Price ceiling prevent a price from rising above a certain level. It is fixed by the price is fixed by the government. Above that, okay, producers are not allowed to sell the goods. Price floor prevent the price from falling below the certain level. So it is the price which also again fixed by the government, under which price is not supposed to fall below that level.